if you're new to the cryptocurrency space, one of the questions that you'll probably have is, how do I actually go out and buy cryptocurrency? And if you just go to the CoinGecko website, which is what I'm on at the moment, you will see at the moment that we have a list of 478 exchanges available to you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Now, it can be a little bit of a minefield for the beginner, and that's why I'm doing this video. My name is Dr. Jav. Welcome to my video on how to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. On this short webinar, I'm going to be discussing cryptocurrency exchanges and also cryptocurrency wallets that you can use on a daily basis to transact your cryptocurrencies on. Now, when I first started, again, very much like yourself, if you are a beginner, I didn't have a clue. I did not know which exchange to use. I did not know if the exchange was reputable or not. So I'm doing this video with the understanding that you are probably a beginner. You've probably never traded cryptocurrencies before. Perhaps you've seen information online or on the TV indicating to you that cryptocurrency is the future of money, and now you want to get started. So this is a great place to get started. If you go to the CoinGecko website and look at the exchange lists they have here, so the top 10 exchanges, looking at the list here, include Binance, Bitfinex, Coinbase, Bitmart, Kraken, Binance US, Crypto.com, Gemini, Currency, Huobi, and the list goes on and on. So I'm going to just go over some of these exchanges on this video, some of the exchanges, that are possibly my favorite exchanges, and also the exchanges that are used by my students on a daily basis. Now, if you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies directly with other buyers and sellers, you must look into cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, this is in sharp contrast to, for example, cryptocurrency brokers. Now, the cryptocurrency exchange will actually provide you with an online platform to buy and sell your cryptocurrencies, whenever you want to. Now, again, cryptocurrencies, like I said earlier, it is the future of money. Fiat currency, as we know today, with inflation and what's happening in the economy at the moment, the value of your pound and dollar is much lower today than it was last year, the year before, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, and certainly 100 years plus. The value has come down. You can not buy as much as you can today with a dollar as you could all those years ago. Now, with the exchange of fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies, this exchange between buyers and sellers actually occurs on something known as the exchange. So cryptocurrency exchanges are suitable platforms, not just for advanced traders, but also for beginners as well that want to, I suppose, take advantage of the price fluctuations in the market. So as long as there's movement in the market, as long as the prices for any particular currency pair are going up or coming down, you can actually profit from that movement by using cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, I'm going to go through a few exchanges here that you can start to use immediately. So there's quite a lot of exchanges, obviously, in the market, as I've just discussed. And again, I'm going to go through some of my favorites. Just bear with me. I think the screen's playing up on my end. Just give me a few seconds. Now, one of the exchanges that I like to use is actually Coinbase. So Coinbase, I'm just trying to fix my screen, sorry. Yeah, so Coinbase it's a very, very easy exchange to use. And if you've never, bought or sold cryptocurrencies before, my recommendation is perhaps to have a look at Coinbase. Now, at this point, I just want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. I would always recommend you do your own research as well before jumping into cryptocurrency trading and investing. So Coinbase is a good place to start. In the description to this video, I'll put my affiliate link in there. So please do click on that link, and Coinbase will actually give you a free $10 worth of Bitcoin for your first $100 transaction on that site. So Coinbase is a good place to start. It's a very, very easy website to use. You've got the app as well, which sits on your phone. And so, again, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency very, very quickly. Now, once you've downloaded the Coinbase app, they will ask you to verify your account. Again, that's very, very easy to use and do. You just upload your ID and proof of address as if you're opening a bank account. So it's similar kind of process to that. And once your details have been approved by Coinbase, you can then use them as much as you like to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Now, a good thing about Coinbase is that in addition to acting as an exchange, they also give you free cryptocurrency. So you can get free cryptocurrency via the Coinbase website. And this is very easy to do again. And what happens is that they generally ask you, to watch a few videos and answer some quizzes. And once you've gone through those quizzes or very, very small tests that take just a few minutes, they will reward you with free cryptocurrency. So you can see here where they are, offering you $3 worth of bond, $3 worth of AMP, $3 worth of graph, stellar lumens, and so on and so on. So in addition to using them as an exchange, they also offer you the opportunity to earn additional income for free. Now, just a few days ago, I did do a webinar on how to do that from Coinbase. And if you look at this video here, this is actually a video which shows you how to earn free money on Coinbase. So I'll just pause that video. So my recommendation is for you to have a look at that video. And again, once you're registered with Coinbase, go through this video here. And on this video, I actually show you in detail on how to actually earn additional income from Coinbase. Free money, you can't say no to that, especially in today's market where the economy is not doing so great. So Coinbase will actually give you free money. And again, something I recommend you look at. For the more professional traders, people that may have traded before, you can actually get a pro Coinbase account. And this allows you to do additional things that you cannot do on the simple Coinbase app. However, for a beginner, Coinbase by itself is a very, very good place to start. And again, if you click my link at the bottom of this video in the description, you will actually get $10 for free once you buy $100 worth of cryptocurrency on Coinbase. And like I said earlier, you can actually earn free coins via Coinbase, and also you can stake. You can actually stake your currency as well, where you are rewarded or paid dividends for that staking. So if you had Ethereum, for example, in Coinbase, Coinbase actually pays you 5% a year, Algo around 4% a year, Cosmos, you'll get 5% a year. And again, this is paid in that exact coin that you are staking. So if you're staking Ethereum, you'll get 5% back in Ethereum per year. So again, it's a good way to make free money. And that when it comes to cryptocurrency, there are many ways that you can actually earn an income. It's not just about buying and selling cryptocurrencies. You can stake, you can do these quizzes that I talked about earlier to earn additional income. You can also do DeFi, there's NFTs, there's a lot of things you can do. And if you are a member of our mentorship program, of our academy, you will know this already, because we actually train you every single day. I do training every single day on how to use cryptocurrencies for profit and how to build your 6- and 7-figure portfolio. So if you do not yet have a 6- or 7-figure cryptocurrency portfolio, please do reach out to me via this video and we can get you started. We can show you how to trade the markets, the largest and most liquid currency markets in the world, for profit, and how to build your 6- and 7-figure portfolio. Binance, as we saw earlier, was actually the largest cryptocurrency in the marketplace. And again, cryptocurrency exchange in the marketplace. And again, a very good place to start as well. Now, when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges, I don't recommend you use just one exchange. I always recommend you use a good handful of different exchanges, obviously depending on the amounts you are actually dealing with. I would never put all my money on one exchange. And again, the reason for that is obviously for security reasons. And also, I'd recommend you use cryptocurrency wallets as well. So I'll talk about wallets later during this webinar. But again, Binance is another good exchange to use. It's very easy to use. And again, the same process again as with Coinbase. You get yourself an account and then you upload your details, your ID and proof of address, and they will give you the option, or in fact, they will allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies as you wish. There's another website as well known as actually Binance.us, and the issue with Binance at the moment is that I think with Binance you can't actually use it in the USA unless you have a VPN. So in that case, if you don't have a VPN, then you'd actually get a Binance.us account, which is specifically for you if you are based in the USA. When I last checked, not every state in the USA can use Binance.us. However, as I stated earlier, if you use a VPN, this can actually mask your IP address, and it's a quick fix that allows you to use some of these exchanges that you may not have been able to use otherwise. And now, the one thing I need to make clear at this stage is that no exchange will ever give you private keys. So just bear that in mind when it comes to security. The exchanges will not give you private keys. The keys they provide you with are actually public keys, so they can be seen by anyone, anywhere in the world. If you want additional security to your cryptocurrency stash, then you need to move to cryptocurrency wallets as well, which I'll be discussing shortly. Now, again, when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges, whenever you are setting up your cryptocurrency exchange, always have two-factor authentication, for example, via the Google Authenticator app setup. So this basically means that when you log into the exchange, they will actually ask you for your details, your login and your password, and also an additional code which changes every few seconds that you can actually get access to via the Google Authenticator app on your phone. So the recommendation is that when you set up your exchange account, please do tick the 2FA, two-factor authentication button to provide you with that additional authentication when it comes to logging in, buying, selling, or staking your cryptocurrencies. Now, if you get a new phone, for example, you will need to reinstall the Google Authenticator app on that new phone, and there's an option to transfer the key to the new application on the new phone as well via the export accounts feature I think that you have. But again, always go for two-factor authentication. And when it comes to the login details, my recommendation is that you put the login details or make a hard copy of those login details and don't store them on your PC or on your phone anywhere, as many beginners tend to. Now, when it comes to trading, you always buy when the price is inside the zone, and when the price is inside the zone, as a beginner, you probably don't know what the zone is or when the price is inside the zone. But what we do in the academy, in our mentorship program, is that we actually give you trading ideas when the prices are inside any particular zones, and we'll show you and teach you how to buy when the price is optimum. Now, when it comes to Binance, you can earn additional income as well because they allow DeFi staking too, same as Coinbase. Binance has an option, excuse me, that enables you to actually stake as well. And looking at this page here, BNB will pay 8.49%, USDC 9.49%. They've got quite a few here. Ethereum 1.73%, not a great amount, but then again, it's better than a kick in the teeth. Day 8.79, Bitcoin 7.49%. So these are per year, and again, they will pay you just for holding, excuse me, that cryptocurrency. So you buy low, you buy in the zone, you hold your cryptocurrency, and then you sell when the price is high, or you can stake your cryptocurrencies as well and earn additional income in the meantime. Another exchange, a very, very good exchange, is Kraken. And again, Kraken is another one that I recommend my mentees, my students use. But again, do your own research and use those exchanges that you are happiest with. The good thing about Kraken, as with Binance, as with Coinbase, is that you can stake. So you can earn yearly rewards via the Kraken app as well. Now, my recommendation is not to keep your apps on your phone, because again, if you lose your phone, you'll lose access potentially to your exchanges as well. And if you've got a lot of money in one exchange, for example, and you lose access to that, obviously it can be extremely concerning. So never download the exchange app to your phone. Always use it on your desktop or laptop, and in a more secure location than a mobile phone. Now, when it comes to staking, on the Kraken app, they pay 12% for Polkadot, 12% for Kusama, Cardano is 46%, Ethereum 5 to 7, Cosmos 7, Carver, they pay 20%. That is huge. So you'll get paid back 1/5 of your staking amount, 1/5 of the principal. Now imagine if you had a bank, well, you probably have got a bank account. How much is your bank account paying you? Your bank account is paying you something like 0.01, 0.05% a year, yet you can get up to 20% a year via dividends, via staking rewards, just by holding a cryptocurrency on Kraken. So again, exchanges can be extremely powerful, and it's a good way to earn additional income. Now, I think I did do a video before on staking as well. And I mean, obviously, I've talked about Coinbase already, but if you look through my list of videos on my YouTube channel, again, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do that. You can search youtube.com/c/Dr Jav. The link is also at the bottom of this video, and there's a lot of information on there. I talk through a lot of things that you can use as part of your cryptocurrency journey. As this information can also help you build that 6 and 7 figure portfolio when it comes to cryptocurrency. I'll talk about, for things like how to get started in not just foreign exchange trading, but also cryptocurrency trading as well. I'll talk about what's happening to for example, the Bitcoin price. I'll talk about things like Blockfolio, the importance of having something like Blockfolio to track your cryptocurrencies. And also many times I'm answering questions as well, questions from people saying, what's going to happen if this happens, or how's the market doing, what's happened to the price. I'll talk about things like IC Markets, for example, which is a good broker to use. Again, I'm not making any recommendations. Please do your own research, and many recommendations are on this channel. And as you can see, there's many videos which will actually help you to build your 6 and 7 figure portfolio. So please do go through this. It's a knowledge base that I've left open for you. And again, if you do subscribe to this channel, you click the bell icon, you will actually be informed of when the next video comes out. So very powerful information here. And there's somewhere here that I do talk about staking in more detail, but I can't seem to find it just at this stage. But please do look at this, and you will find information here that will help you to build your portfolio. So staking on Kraken story is a very good way to earn additional income as well. Another app that you can use, another exchange that you can use is Crypto.com. And again, this is only available as an app, so you can't have this on your desktop or your laptop. But again, Crypto.com, I find it very easy to use. Great place to start for beginners. And guess what? They offer you staking rewards. Ethereum 6.5% or up to 6.5%, USD coin 12%, Cosmos 3%, Cardano 3%. And you can just read what they have here. Uniswap 3%, Polkadot 3%. Obviously, 3% for Polkadot is not as good as Kraken, so you can decide which exchange works better for you for staking rewards and use that exchange for that particular coin. Bitcoin 6.5%, which is still pretty good. So Crypto.com is another app that you should consider. Another website that I use is Uniswap. Uniswap is good for mid-cap and small cap coins. I'll say that again. Uniswap is good for mid-cap and small cap coins. And on Uniswap, you can actually swap coins that haven't landed on major exchanges yet. So the price may be extremely low for these coins. For example, it could be $0.00001, and Uniswap is a great place to find these coins, and you can actually swap these coins for ETH. So Uniswap does work through Ethereum. You buy Ethereum on your wallet. So whatever your wallet is, it can be, for example, the Coinbase wallet or any other wallet that you're using, MetaMask. There's many other wallets in the marketplace, and you can actually swap your coins out using the Uniswap app. And again, Uniswap, in the first instance, a little bit difficult or tricky to use, but once you've gone through it a few times, you can very, very easily swap your coins out from Ethereum to whichever coin you want to buy. For example, you've got Ethereum here as your base coin. You would choose that, and you choose the coin that you would like to swap it out with. So whatever coin you want to use, you can find it here. They've got a huge list of coins here. For example, let's see if they've got XRT. You would choose XRT here, which is the Robonomics network coin, and then you can actually make that swap. So there's a lot of information here that you can use. And again, Uniswap is actually a very, very good way to actually swap out your coins with Ethereum. And again, just like I said earlier, it actually has coins here that may not have hit major exchanges yet. So the price could be extremely low. That's why they've got so many coins there. The price could be extremely low. And I don't know if you know this, but many coins have gone up by, times 10, times 100, times 1,000, or even, multiples of 1,000. So some of these coins currently may not have hit the major exchanges yet, but you can actually get access to these coins by linking up your wallet. So whether you have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, which I talked about earlier, Fortmatic or Portis, you get access to these wallets and link them up to Uniswap to make that exchange. Gate.io is another great exchange that you can use. Again, it's a little bit tricky to use in the first instance, but once you've done it a few times, it's actually a very, very good way to buy your cryptocurrency and or sell your cryptocurrency as well. So my recommendation is to look at these exchanges, do your own research, and then decide on which exchange or exchanges you want to use. I would not put all my money on one exchange. I'd use several exchanges, because I don't know if you remember MtGox a few years ago. It was the world's largest Bitcoin exchange, and Japanese based exchange, and it had 70% of all Bitcoin trades. So this exchange was absolutely massive. It actually had 70% of all Bitcoin trades, and that company went bankrupt. And many people around the world, a lot of people around the world, lost their Bitcoins because the exchange actually went bankrupt. So my recommendation is not to have your money on just one exchange, and that is why I showed you the list of exchanges in the marketplace. There's a lot of exchanges, and I've gone through just a few of them just to draw your attention to them. And what you should do is click the link in my description to this video for any particular exchange that you want to get access to, and then definitely you can start using them. Now, another thing that you have to do in addition to using the exchanges is to have your wallets set up. Now, your wallet basically has two keys. It has the public key. The public key actually identifies you and lets you encrypt any particular transaction. It also has the more important private key, and this actually decrypts your data as it travels to another party. So it makes it much more secure. The public key lets someone know that you are the one sending or receiving the funds, and the private key will sign the transactions and provide proof that you actually own the public key that I've just talked about earlier. Now, you have to keep your public key available for the deal, and you cannot give your private key to anybody. Okay, you cannot give your private key to any third party. This is very, very important, because otherwise it will give that third party full access to your money, and you do not want that. Providing the public key is enough, because it automatically encrypts that data that will link to the anonymous private key that connects to that public key. So very, very important. You've got private keys and public keys, and you need to ensure that you do use the private keys, and that's what you get access to via the wallets that I'm just talking about. So Exodus is just one such wallet. Again, my recommendation is to get Exodus, have a look at it, but download it to your desktop. Do not download it to your mobile phone. Okay, I'll say that again. Download it to your desktop. It's a much, much more secure way of operating with these wallets. And there are many, many wallets in the market at the moment. Most of these are hot wallets that connect directly to the internet. And also, you know, there's a couple that may have a multi-crypto wallet function, and they can support many, many digital currencies. Now, software wallets hold your public and your private keys, and they can help you transfer via any particular exchange. Now, Coinbase wallet is another wallet. It's different to the Coinbase app that I talked about earlier, which is the exchange. Coinbase wallet is actually the wallet, okay? It's different, it's the wallet as opposed to being the exchange. So the software wallet holds your public and your private keys and can help you transfer them onto an exchange. And these software programs are called desktop wallets and or mobile wallets if they are sitting on your phone. MetaMask is another wallet that you can get access to and download it to your device. Now you've got cold storage wallets as well. And again, if you look at my videos, I have talked about different types of cold storage wallets, and these are, in my opinion, much more secure than the soft wallets. For example, you've got Tezos, and also you've got the Nano Ledgers as well. And again, if you go through my videos here, you will find me talking about these as well in some detail. So on this webinar, I've just talked about exchanges and the importance of exchanges. I've covered the importance of you having access to the soft wallets as well, and private keys. So it's important to have wallets and exchanges, obviously, and you need to ensure that you've covered everything. Certainly when it comes to cryptocurrency, my recommendation is to have several exchanges rather than just one, and again, several wallets as well. So your portfolio is split across them for risk and security purposes. So my name is Dr. Jav. I hope you learned something from this short webinar. Please reach out to me via any of these social media links or my websites here, and we can ensure that you start trading with us very, very soon. We have many, many people, many students who now have 6- and 7-figure portfolios all over the world. If you are looking to build your 6- and or 7-figure cryptocurrency portfolio, please do reach out to me, because that is what we help you do. We mentor you, we hold your hand. You don't have to have any knowledge of cryptocurrencies whatsoever to start working with me and my team. We do all the heavy lifting for you. We do all the research, and we show you how to build your big portfolios to help you become financially free. Cryptocurrency is the future of money. My name is Dr. Jav. Please do subscribe, like, and share this channel, and keep those questions coming. And I'll see you very, very soon on the next training. Again, my name is Dr. Jav. Please reach out to me, and I look forward